From the Express website, the British AS90 155mm tracked self-propelled howitzers will be sent next week to Poland. The Ukrainian soldiers will be trained in Poland for the use and maintenance before being deployed to Ukraine for combat operations. Last week, British Prime Minister Boris Johnson announced that the United Kingdom will deliver more artillery weapons to Ukraine as the conflict with Russia moves into a new phase. The AS90, nicknamed Braveheart, is a 155mm tracked self-propelled howitzer manufactured by the British company BAE Systems. The AS90 project was completed in March 1985, and the first prototype was shown at the British Army Equipment Exhibition in June 1986. The AS90 is armed with a 155mm, 39 or 52 caliber gun barrel and is equipped with an automatic loading system, enabling the gun to fire with a burst rate of 3 rounds in fewer than 10 seconds, an intense rate of 6 rounds a minute for 3 minutes, and a sustained rate of 2 rounds a minute. A total of 48 rounds are carried inside the vehicle. It can fire all standard NATO 155mm ammunition, with a maximum firing range of 24.7 km with standard HE frag, and 32 km with a rocket-assisted projectile. The design of AS90 is based on a tracked armored chassis, with the driver seated at the front left part of the hull, with the power pack to his right, and a turret at the rear. The howitzer has a crew of 5, including a driver, commander, gunner, and 2 loaders. The chassis of AS90 is of all-welded steel armor construction, with a maximum thickness of 17mm. The armor of the hull and turret provide protection against the firing of small arms and artillery shell splinters.